some Second World War bomb shelter blast stores and all that. There's the one like Spawn with Kev. We're just blinding each other now with lights. But this is a little bit bigger than what we thought, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot bigger.
Do you want to lead the way, or?
Yeah.
We did a scout, you should roughly remember where it is. Underground World War II shelters. There's quite a few remembrance of bits of bobs. Go a long way, there might be more than a long way. There's all the old cable holes, blocks and everything up there, which would have held all the cables. There's escape hatches are built on every side bit there. There's your blocks and everything for all your cables. You seen this mould, look? Oh, that's a spider's web, isn't it? Yeah, spider's nest. And this is L3. Quite good condition really, isn't they, as well?
Yeah.
A lot of the remnants in here of the old seats and toilets and stuff. See out there's a hole. Well, leads outside. Yeah. We'll probably come back and double up on ourselves because you can go another way, you see. Film that on the way back, can't we? Come back on ourselves. That way now. But as you see down here, ladies and gentlemen, these are the resemblance. These are what's left of the old seats. We used to sit in the bunker, in the shelter. There's more stairs to the outside. Each outside bit has like embankment and earth in the barrows and a centre bit in the middle. And all this earth is piled up over them.
This way?
Yeah, go for it. As you see here, look, loads of these benches, supports for the seat bench and everything. Kevin Minute found the toilet one. Just as, oh look, there you go. There's the toilet seats, look, some of them benches. Not every single one of them would have been toilet side. Yeah, slop buckets. That bucket we see earlier, into them buckets and then slop them out. There you go, there's your escape hatches, look. There is an event going up above us, and there's security and marquees and all sorts going on. So we're walking underneath all this security now. There's the old light lit in, look. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of the rebars coming through on the concrete, reinforced concrete supports it had. There you go, there's the bucket we were on about. That's what you put under them toilet seats, and that's what you slop out with afterwards. If we keep going left, and then we'll keep going left on the way back, if you know what I mean. Oh no, we'll take pictures, haven't we? So I suppose we can go do both bits. Have a look up there, and come back down and look up here. That one first then. You see all the blocks of wood. And now on J4. Is there anything down here? It's just another one of them. It's just like big squares attached everywhere. There's a gold, it's a couple of gold balls having down here though. And then go all the way up to the top, and then we'll just peer left. Otherwise we'll get back on ourselves. Yeah. More of the chucks and cables. Huh? Yeah, we're going that way, we're just going to have a look. Yeah, just so we can see if there's anything we've missed on the way round. Any more artefacts. Yeah, this is where we was a minute ago, Pete, so we're just checking for artefacts and stuff. Right, back on ourselves then, Kev.
Just goes on.
Yeah, it's the same as where we were a minute ago. And there's a There's a lot of the woods where the cables run through, like I said, and here's one of the junction boxes. There's the old junction box, which I'm guessing would have been probably up there somewhere. There's the arrows, telling you which way to go. More blocked upstairs from the outside, so we used to come in. There's your electricals. L1.3. And then down to the bottom again, and we just see if there's anything off to the right, and then come back on the cell. Yeah, but out today, the Abandoned City Camera crew is exploring with the One Light Exploring with Kev. I'm just going to check that there's anything down here. As you notice, ladies and gentlemen, there's some old seating there, some paint tubs and stuff. And that will take you back round to where we were. Just more remnants of the seating. Can you put your torch down in there, Kev? Yeah, just more remnants of the seating. So we've not come to the toilet one yet then.
No, that's
A bit further up.
way.
Oh yeah. Get past this wood.
That's not how you do it.
Yeah. Stealth, eh, Kev?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a bird's nest there, look.
Oh yeah, didn't notice that.
And there's all these bricks everywhere. I'm trying to work out before whether they're bug hotels or whether this is being made up for bats. Kev's trying to be real quiet now because he knows we've got security above us. Crime scene tape, was that? No. Security, do not enter. Go that way, we didn't come that way then last time. There's an old tin, look. The old thing from the old days. Old metal tin. We're in H4 now.
Looks like there's been a lot of fires down there.
I don't know, I wouldn't say so. There's not enough blackness, if you know what I mean. Ah, I came the wrong way this way. I'm going to go back the other way. I'll meet you around the corner in a minute. I'll come round to you that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I did it. So Kev, you'll see that these all loop round really. Oh look, there's still a bit of wiring from the old days in H3. And you can see Kev's light at the end there, look. Hello there. Kev's got double torch.
Yeah, one's for long distance.
Plenty of entrances and exits. See that mould on the floor, look?
Yeah.
The way it's spreading. More the escape hatches.
Ooh, look at that spiders.
Oh yeah, oh look at that one. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Yeah, this is what I was on about. This has just flipped itself, Kev.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's got upside down, that's why. So just... Yeah. Just do that so as well.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are these bricks. like they're trying to, I'm not sure, I'm thinking maybe bats then. Some more with the wire hanging, look, original wire. I'm on Bakelite, is that C3 or G? You would say that's a G, yeah. Oh look, that's definitely got to be for bats, look. Always find a tyre, don't you? And look, we'll just get down the bottom here just to show you. There's one of the metal original tables, look. What would have been in here? Is this the one with the toilet? No, that's just all the wooden supports down there, the old benches. Good morning, Ross.
You can actually get out there that way, couldn't you?
Yeah, I did see that earlier. There's about 2 or 3 ways in, I noticed.
Yeah.
Why ain't sealed?
That way, wasn't it?
Choose one. Yeah. As you see, this is quite big bomb shelters, air raid shelters. Would have fitted a lot of people in here. It's the old water tank. There's the old water tank there. You see that, Kevin? Yeah? There's the old water tank. And now we're in something E3, I think. F3 now. Just going to check that bottom, because one of them had the toilet, didn't it? On the actual benching.
This way.
Yeah, I'm just going to check the bottom to see if this is the one that had the toilet. Remember? One of them had the toilet. There's that horn, fire extinguisher. Bit of cabling on the floor. Old kettle. No, there's nothing there. There's an old kettle there though.
You stick on it.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Hidden Histories of Ray.
Hidden Histories of Ray. There you go. You are? It was.
Yeah. It went quiet, so I thought I was
Oh look,
silent.
there's a slop out bucket, look. I'm going to go this way. Oh, what's that at the end there? Oh, it's more original metal. Yeah, there's plenty of buckets. You see that kettle or whatever it is at the bottom? Pot.
Kettle.
Yeah, metal kettle.
Yeah.
It's all probably original then. Excellent. Bin lid. That's what the benches would have looked like, and you would have sat down then on them benches. It's like an air vent stack thing, there look. More bin lids, look. And this is what, you looking at spiders again?
That was big.
Blimey. There's a spider up there, that is quite big actually. Doesn't look like, oh, this thing's doing it again. No, I've got it. Alright, I'm going to keep checking down either side now because I know one of the benches has the old toilets in it. It's not that one, but it reclaims more the old metal. That metal's definitely from the Second World War when this was in situ. Some of the cabling and everything still exists. That one's got a concrete thing on. It's like where they pass down stores and escape hatches, isn't it, and everything. That one's blocked. Down E1. Do-do, do-do. There's always tyres in abandoned places. Old paint tubs. Oh, this is the one with the toilet seats. See these benches here now, ladies and gentlemen? You'll get to see. There you go, look. With them buckets you see earlier on, with them placed under there. Slop out buckets, there you go. There's the bucket in place there. Old stalls, literally stalls. Yeah. Hang on. Let Kevos go ahead. Anti-victim, whatever. Oh, in here, bunking. Yeah, you look like you sat there with your energy drink. Yeah, it's a double back design. Sometimes you go this way and it's long, and sometimes you double back yourself the wrong way and it's short. C3. C3 BPR. Hang on. After this, it'll be taking pictures and using our coloured lights to get some effects. Yeah, keep going, yeah. That bit of concrete came in, didn't it? Well, Kev. There, just there, look. Go and have a look, don't take your light though. I hope this ain't filming upside down. See it? There you go, look, there's a bit of old gubbins there. Table, something. B4 we're in now.
Must be something festival.
Yeah, it must be. Because they're playing golf as normal, but then they've got all their marquees getting set up and all that security. When we set security, I was thinking we'd have to walk down near them. Thank God we didn't in the end. Tie down there, we're still on B3. Come on, Kevin. It's coming away, look. Oh, look yeah. Spray concrete. Yeah, security literally 10, 20 foot in front of that.
This goes on and on.
It does, doesn't it? I do apologise for the dirt on the lens, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, eh? Can hold plenty of people. That's the end, isn't it? And this is A3. So yeah, this is the end of the...
It's down there.
It's just where we come back from, haven't we? So that's, or the end, or if we look at it this way, the beginning. And security are just out there. That's been some Second World War bunkers for you peeps. A little bit of history there. Thank you for following us on the video. Don't forget to hit up the one like Exploring with Kev on all his social media and all that. We're going to get round to turning off and now taking pictures. So thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Oh, we didn't get that one, did you? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon. See you later, peeps.